Every new parent knows that a content baby makes a restful home, and effectively burping your child is a big step towards that tranquility. Despite its simplicity, burping can substantially relieve infant discomfort caused by trapped air in the tummy. Start by gently holding your baby against your shoulder, keeping them upright with your arm supporting their bottom. Lightly pat their back from the lower portion upwards, creating a soothing rhythm that's both calming and effective. If your baby resists, try placing them face down on your lap, supporting the head, and gently rubbing or patting on the back. With a few practice sessions, parents can effortlessly incorporate these burping techniques, enhancing infant comfort and parental peace of mind.